In this training module, we'll be going through the proper way to install an EPDM RTS strip.
The first way is to install the strip with the fasteners being on the vertical surface or the parapet of the wall. We're going to do that here today, and we're going to install the fasteners 12 inches on center. One of the common mistakes commonly made in installing reinforced termination strip is that when it's laid flat, the fasteners are placed towards the inside of the field of the roof. The fasteners need to be placed towards the parapet wall or outside of the building. When it's installed like this, which is backwards, what will happen is the field and the flashing will actually pull away towards the fasteners in the field of the roof, creating bridging. The correct way to install reinforced termination strip when we install it flat, if we're not able to install it into the parapet wall for a variety of reasons, is to have it with the fasteners facing the parapet wall and spaced 12 inches on center into the deck.